Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, now let's see what is Python Boolean data types. Python Boolean type is one of built-in data types which represents one of the two values, either true or false. Python bool functions allows you to evaluate the value of any expression and returns either true or false based on the expression. Let's see with an example. I am taking, let's say, v1 equals to true. Let me print it. v1, you see, we have printed the v1 variable. Its value is true. If we want to get its data type, so we can do with the help of type function, and we are then passing v1 in this function. Let's click on run. You see its type is bool. Okay, there is another case. If we want to compare two variables of same boolean type, let me take n1 equals to 3, n2 equals to 5, then I am printing bool n1 equals to n2. What it will return? It will return either true or false. It is comparing both variables and it is applying a condition over here, right? Value will be printed. You can see n1 and n2's values are not equals to each other, right? So output is false. Now let's see what is none type. Fourth, we have discussed boolean. Its data type is bool. Fifth, we are discussing none. Its type is also none. Okay. None data type. None type is the type of the none object, which is an object that indicates no value. It means we have some variables which has no value, right? So let's take an example. Let me take m equals to none, right? I'm printing m. You see its value is none. If you want to get the type of this value, this variable, so you will see it's a class and it is none type. Okay, that is a none type data type. Next data type is set. So we can add our next data type, set. What is set data type? Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collection of data. Okay, a set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable and unindexed. Okay, set items are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. Let's see how it works. To create a set variable, I am taking set1 as a variable and it will always be start with curly braces. You see, let me take item 1, item 2, item 3. If I am going to print set one variable, it will show me the same items, item 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you will notice the order of the items are not proper, right? This time we are getting item 3 as a starting item. If you run again item 1 again, you see now item 3 is shown at a starting point. Okay, it means sets are unordered, so you cannot be so sure in which order the items will appear. If we need to get the length of the sets, so you can use one method, that is len method, and we can pass on the variable set1. You see the output is 3. Next point of set data type is set items can be of any data type, which means it can be like a string data type, it can be integer data type, it can be a boolean data type, that is true, false, even false. If you try to print, they will be printed. Okay, you can also add multiple data type values in the same sets. We can see this as well. Let me take first item as an boolean, second item as an string, third item I can take float. If you will print, the same will be printed. You see, if we want to get the type of set variables, similar way we can use type method and just pass on set either 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see, next data types is binary data types. Here we have 3 type of data types. Let's write it. 7. You can say binary. We have bytes. We have byte array. We have null. Let's talk about bytes data type. The bytes function converts an object such as a list, a string, integer into an immutable bytes object within the range of 0 to 256 characters. If no object is provided to the bytes method, it can generate an empty bytes object of a specified size. Let's see an example. Let me take t1 equals to 2, and I am saying uh, print bytes t1. Let's print it. You see, the byte array byte code is printed for this value, so it is not much readable. We cannot change it, right? Even for security purpose, we can use this type of data types in the program, right? Let's see other example as well. We are taking another data type as a string. You can say welcome to the Python, and what I am doing, I am now creating array of bytes of n1, but here I want to specify my encoding, right? That is what UTF-8 encoding. Now I want to print my array. So you will see the output is printed as it is, because with this encoding scheme we will get our output in form of bytes as same. You see, let's see another example. If we want to print bytes function as it is, it will print us blank value. You see, it will print us blank value. Next data type is byte array. It is byte array. Byte array is nothing but it is mutable, right? Whereas bytes is immutable. Mutable means it can be changed anytime. Let's see the example. Let me take, I have k1 equals 2. Let me take byte array. I am passing, let's say, am ii, then I am passing my encoding, let's say UTF-8, right? If I want to print this k1, so you will see what you will see, you will get the same result. Okay, what is mutable means we will see now. Let me take k1, let's say 0 index I want to change. Let me take 115. This is ASCII table decimal value, and its value of decimal is, that we will see. Let me print it again, k1. You see, the value of this decimal, ASCII decimal, it is S, right? That's what it has been changed in the byte array. Okay, I will put the ASCII table link in the description box. You can reference it. What are all characters as per the ASCII table? We have the characters. Okay, it's a matrix. You can find ASCII table. Next data type is in binary data types, that is memory view. Memory view function returns a memory view object from a specified object. Let's see how it works. Let me take one variable p1 equals to memory view. Let me say b welcome, right? And I print it p1. So you can see p1 is a type of memory, and the memory is assigned somewhere at this memory. So memory is assigned at this address somewhere, and it is referencing this value on this memory address. So how we can print it? Let's say we want to print some specific character from this value from the memory view. So how we can say it is p1. Let me get it's 0 indexed, right? So what it will return? It will return 87. And what is this 87? It means it is coming from a sky table. This is a decimal value. Let me show you how it works and how we can identify its actual value, its actual character. Let me show you what is a sky table. It's called a sky table. You have to open your browser. You have to type in ASII table on the Google. You will find first link a sky table. Just click on this. Here you can see this is a table and it is representing decimals and its character. So as per our program, the 87 is printed, right? Now we will see our sky table. So 87 you will find somewhere 87. You see 87 is a decimal. Its character represents as W in uppercase. So you could see W in uppercase is at the first position of the value. Is it clear? If you want more information on binary data types, so we'll be discussing in a separate video. So we will discuss Python operators in next video.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.